Hello everyone, my name is Ntombi. Today we're going to do a short video on the ideology of MMM, how MMM works, how MMM uh, benefits people, and just anything else that you think you would share with the outside world about MMM. So what we begin by doing is make our short presentation on PowerPoint. Click on the start button, go to PowerPoint. And this is what you get. So let's just put a title here. Let's say MMM ideology by Ntombi. Okay, and then you come here. You can make it look a bit interesting. Maybe let's insert something. Let's insert a picture. You can get some pictures from Google Images. Let's see, on desktop I can get something. If you want to leave it plain, it's okay, but make it interesting so that people will be interested in watching your video. Remember, you're trying to sell MMM to people who are skeptical about it, people who have never heard about it. So you have to sound good and it has to look good. So for the new slide, for another page, you click on here, new slide, and as you can see, we've got another page here. And then maybe you can say, what is MMM? And then you go on to write your points about what MMM is. MMM is a global community of like-minded people who believe that together we can fight the unfair financial system of this world. We live in a world where the rich get richer and the poor work more but get poorer. You can add more points onto this. You can maybe even say MMM is not a company. It's a peer-to-peer donation exchange network. Are we together? Okay. And then you've just briefly given us the ideology of MMM. You move on to a new slide. You can see I've added a third page here. You come here and say, how does it work? And then You say people donate money to each other, and then here you put your other points and you put your other points. I'll just be brief so that you can have an idea of how I want your presentation to be like. And then here what you can say is what are the benefits of MMM. You come here, you say you can say the 30% monthly growth, bonuses, etc. So you can put your other points here, and then you can actually talk about you can give a short testimony if you want, and then when you are done you save your work. So click here, you save your work, you save it as MMM ideology test video. Okay, when you're done with your video, I would expect you to when you're done with your slideshow, your slide, I would expect you to make a video. So this is what you do. Let's close this window. I'll just get a proper finished presentation. Let's do this one and show you how your presentation should look like. This is it. These are the pages of a completed presentation. And when you're doing your video, as I said, we'll be using the Screencast-O-Matic app. So you click on Screencast-O-Matic. After downloading the app, you click on Screencast-O-Matic, and then you retrieve, when you click on Start, you retrieve your document, your presentation of the ideology. So like in this case, I've retrieved mine. Here it is. And let's say I've opened my Screencast-O-Matic. I click on Free Recorder, and then I click on the red icon which is written record, and I'll start recording myself. So let me just give you a short presentation on how I'll present my work. Here I start. 3, 2, 1. Click record. Welcome to MMM East Africa. My name is Ntombi. You click on the next one. What is MMM? MMM is a donation exchange network where people offer donations to each other within our community. MMM is a people helping people community. There is no central bank account. Participants transfer money to each other directly. MMM only regulates the process and nothing more. Mavro is our own internal currency or point system. The Mavros are also an indicator of how much you are eligible to receive in donations should you wish to get help. This is our calculator of happiness. This is how you calculate the growth, the 30% growth of the money that you would have put in. So when you provide help, let's say, for example, with $100, after a month, that is 30 days, it would have grown by 30% and you'll get $130. And in the second month, it would have grown again by another 30%, you'll get $169. We've got wonderful benefits. when you register, you've got what is called the registration bonus. When you donate from $50 to $499, you get $20 of registration bonus, and you get $50 and get $100 depending on the amount of money that you would have registered with. We've also got wonderful referral bonuses. For each member that you personally introduce into MMM, you'll receive a referral bonus of 10% of the marvels purchased. There are things that you need to know before you provide help. Never offer to provide help with money you do not have or money you are still waiting to receive. When getting help, you need to provide help first before you can get help. Give and you shall receive. And you have to go through all these other points. And then to end, you can just put this. With MMM, I'm covered. All these pictures I got off the internet. And then you can say something like, my only regret is not joining early. And in conclusion, join me, Ntombi and millions of other participants worldwide. You can use the link below to join me in this wonderful MMM journey. Thank you very much. And then when you're done, you click on the red icon. It will stop your recording. And you click on it will ask you where you want to save your work. But that will be another lesson in another video. So for now, what I want you to do is to make your own PowerPoint presentation. Don't record any voice recordings. Just do the presentation. As you can see, work on a beautiful presentation. As you can see, different pages talking about MMM, different pictures that best describe MMM and the ideology of MMM. This is just an example of how a beautiful presentation should look like. And then after that, that's when we're going to use the Screencast-O-Matic link app to upload our video onto YouTube. That's all for today. Thank you very much.